crafties, and welcome to Crafty Lifestyle. My name is Daniela Castro, and today I have an exciting video for me. I've been working on getting ready for Christmas little gifts and also for like craft fairs, and so wanted to show you what I'm working on currently. And so the first thing I want to show you is another one that I made. And I am so in love with this flower type of doily. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to show it to you right now. Here they are. I love doilies for some reason. And so I order a lot of doilies often. And so the doily that I used to create this wand is this one. Really cute. And so a wand is a perfect gift for any little princess or any person, any girl. This is the way that it cuts. Really cute. And also a perfect size. And so what I did, I cut them in half, and this is what I used to go around the wand. That's a lace. But the one that I showed you on my previous video, which is this one, I made it using this one. So they come very handy when it comes to making feminine stuff. I also received this one. I still haven't had a chance to play with it, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted on what I make. Another project that I'm working on is little Christmas mailboxes. And so I found this little plastic containers at the store, and it came a package of like 12 of these containers. And so I had previously purchased, sorry, I'm dropping everything on the floor, this little mailbox cutting knife from Aliexpress. Please note that every link that I can find, I'm gonna place it on the description of this video. That way, if you need any of the things that I'm showing you, you can find them quick. And so this is the die. This is what I made. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place 2 Hershey's nuggets inside the mailbox, and I'm gonna close it just like this with a little bow using these cords or thread. Very useful. And so on the little container, I'm planning on using some M&Ms or some sort of type of small candy that can be filled out, and to make it look cute. I was gonna use some marshmallow, but it doesn't fit very many marshmallows, so man, it's not a good idea. But this moves, when you have outgoing mail. So this is really cute. Imagine for a place setting, or just to give out for your co-workers, your neighbors for Christmas. Something really tiny but really special. I mean, who wouldn't love it? Really cute. And so I have a big Gemini machine, which I love. But for projects like this that are tiny and delicate, I use my diamond press cutting die machine. This is a great tool to have on handy because, this is so much quicker when you're cutting, tiny cutting knives. Right now, I have no idea where I placed my the little folder that goes into the machine to cut my cutting knives. But I mean, look at the size. It's like, this is perfect within seconds you can cut multiple die cuts of your little cutting knives. So I'm gonna also look for the link on this. If any of you need it, I by all means recommend it. This one saves me so much time because my Gemini machine is awesome. I love it. But when you're cutting like tiny stuff, it can get annoying. I mean, using the big plates and waiting the like 16 seconds for it to go through the machine, and so this is much quicker. When like cutting like the little letters, tiny stuff, you know you can make it so quick, the diamond press. And so this is my second project. So what I'm doing right now, I received so many dies in the mail yesterday, and so I wanted to show you what I got. Let me share the first die. So this set of banners, they're so cute and great for any project, occasion, anything. This is so gorgeous, and I love the stitching around the die. Let me put it up close. Okay, so here's my first die. Let me move on to the next one. I purchased this. It can work as an edgeable die. It can work any, like on your card, you can just cut, like separate the middle, and it won't cut through, like it won't make a big hole on the card if you separate the corners. And so you decide how to use it, if you want to make a window or if you just need to cut like the little shape. Beautiful die. And I also received this banner set. Gorgeous set. It includes so many different shapes. So this little banners, or these other kind of banner, a circle, a tiny butterfly, a tiny stitched circle, and a tiny bow. Great set. Hopefully I can find the link to this. I'm into anything. An art. I still want to cut so many of this in gold color cardstock, and I'm gonna use them as I believe I'm gonna use them as Christmas ornaments for my Christmas tree, which is something that I love doing. Last Christmas I did a bunch of guitars and angel wings. Let me show you, because I'm looking at them right here, and they look gorgeous. Let me show you. Okay. So here's a sample, the wing that I made. I have a huge Christmas tree, and it was all decorated using these cutting knives. My wings, on one side they're silver color, on the other side iridescent. The same with the guitars. Look, it still has the little hanger. But during the night, this will shine beautifully on my Christmas tree. And the reason why I decorated my Christmas tree using guitars and angel wings, it was in honor to my little brother who passed away 2 years ago, and he would love to play guitar, and he's our angel, so this was our main decoration. I'll probably keep the same decor, just add more stuff, I'm not sure. But yeah, really cute. So let me move on to my next die. This gorgeous die. Look at the size. It's 4.5, almost 5 inches width, and almost 3 inches tall. well, 2.5. Perfect size. I'm probably doing something with this for my place settings for Thanksgiving dinner. Look for the link in the description of the link of the video. Oh my god, and look at these flowers. This is one of the newer sets that came out on Aliexpress. And I just can't wait to play with this set because the flowers, I'm sure is gonna make some gorgeous flowers. Like real looking flowers. Gorgeous. Another set another that I can't wait to play with. This tiny deers with, I just love it. Really cute. Oh my god. This also. This looks at like a vintage paper letter. I don't know. Awesome day. And then it comes with this butterfly. This is another set that I've been waiting for. I'm not sure how to put it together, but it's a set of really big tags. It looks kind of like a pop-up card, but it comes with so many pieces. I'll keep you guys posted on whatever I make with this set. Okay, I also received this girl and the boy praying. This is a really versatile setting. I mean, it can be used for weddings, for baptisms, for praying for you, for with sympathy, for anything. It's really big die set of banners. The biggest one measures 2, 4, 6.5 inches tall, and a little bit over 2 inches wide. Then I also received this die set. I don't recall ordering it, so it must have been a present. But it's a really cute cat. And then it comes with, if you want to decorate it with a Christmas hat or the deer horns. Really cute. I'm not sure what this is. Then I also received this really cute girl. I need to put it together and show you how it looks put together. Then I also received this die set with the mouse, the bench, the light, some bows, little flowers. Really complete set, and it has a good size as well. Oh, I also received this snowman. I'm surprised at the size. 4 inches tall. Really cute. And I use this one. And then this works like as embellishments. Different stitching. And this flowers. This is a duplicate set that I purchased again because of the pricing. I don't remember the pricing, but it was a great deal that I had to purchase it. And I had used it to make these flowers. Really cute set. And I love the stitching, like the little dots. Really cute. I also purchased the Tassel Caps. I only paid like $1 or $2 for 50 or 100 pieces. So I'm gonna make sure I add the link to the description of this video. And so crafties, I want to thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I only had to ask you to please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, okay? Bye for now.